Hello and welcome to another update on MicroStrategy MSTR. We are currently looking at a long and large sideways range. To be fair, there are quite a few scenarios that could play out here. From a bullish point of view, we can track a potential diagonal structure to the upside after a wave 4 potentially bottomed in March. I say potentially because, again, you see it's a range, right? I mean, the price hasn't really given us an impulsive upside reaction. You can see that because the initial move up ended as a 3-wave move, which keeps a range intact at best. The wave 4 bottomed, and we're moving up in a diagonal structure, which means the wave 1 is a 3-wave move. The wave 3 is a 3-wave move. A, B, C. Then there could be a wave 4 and a wave 5. But to keep this perspective alive and somewhat high confidence, we need to see the price hold above $273. Yeah, I mean, realistically, we could lower the support area down a little bit to maybe 271 if we really align it with that top. But ultimately, B waves can go a little deeper. It's about understanding where do probabilities shift. And below that area, around $272, probabilities will start to shift towards more bearish scenarios. So I have a scenario in the white structure in which the price could form a low in this region. This is the support area, 272 and $300, where this white B wave in wave 3 could form a low. Any impulsive rally from here could mark the beginning of the C wave. And then we can rally towards this area up there, more specifically $546, $632 plus. I have to say I see it as high probability that a major top has already formed. That would be the orange scenario because we have a 5-wave move down from this high. But overall, it still looks more like a corrective pullback. Yeah, because this here is a 3-wave move down from the high in November 24, and therefore I rather lean towards higher prices. But it would not be, let's say, completely unexpected if we're breaking down. I'm just saying. So that makes it very, very important to watch closely how the next structure unfolds to the upside. If it's a 3-wave move up, then it's high probability this is only a wave 2 corrective rally, and then it's going to be high risk that we break down. We can stay close to it and go with it level by level. This would be the first resistance area, $347 to $417, and the trend line here needs to be observed as well, around $418. So I view it as likely that we get at least a larger recovery rally from here. It's an interesting spot to watch for a reversal, whether that's wave 2 in orange or even the wave C in white. We just need to see how this move up then unfolds. We might be able to spot the difference based on the structure, but this is a zone where the bulls should show up, actually also in the orange scenario. Another scenario I haven't shown here is a potential triangle. Yeah, if the wave 4 unfolds as a triangle, but even then, ideally, this support area should hold. Yeah, and the rally into resistance seems likely. So I'll keep you updated about this one. Hope you enjoyed the update. Make sure you subscribe and also leave a thumbs up if you appreciate the analysis. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.